Hi, I am Brian Bailosis. I am 22 years old and I am a pomade grower. The idea started when my cousin, binigyan niya ako ng pomades for me to try kasi I'm using clay and waxes. Nagka-problema kasi ako nung yung ginagamit ko kasi nadadamage yung hair ko. Sabi niya, try ko daw yung pomades. Nagustuhan ko, yun, until everyday, yun na yung ginagamit ko. Naisip ko na why not create my own pomade. Composed mainly of organic ingredients such as virgin coconut oil, jojoba oil, which makes your hair healthier. Nasanay tayo na pag imported, mas maganda. Pero yung totoo, competitive naman yung ating mga local brands.